May ganyan ba or what? And baka lang hindi namin napanood kayo sa trailer, please make us kwento about your role, B.
Well, yung role ko here, it's very short, but I can say na it was very memorable shooting with them, and it was such an honor, shooting with all of them. Kahit ilang araw lang yun, I flew in sa Bicol. And
You were part of the Bicol group.
Opo. And then, parang they really made me feel like I was at home lang. Parang hindi na kailangan ng warm-up. And then, it's such a dream come true also working with Josh Lia. Kasi actually, hindi yun, nung high school kasi ako, hindi ako makakoncentrate sa math exam ko nun. Kasi iniiyakan ko yung Paubaya music video nila. Tapos ngayon, parang nakaka-work kasi such a dream come true. So, ayun.
Ito, lagi bumabalik sa Paubaya, ano?
Yes.
Like, I was talking to Alan Diones and Ana Pingol kanina. May sinabi silang word, pero huwag na sa akin manggaling. Pero, talagang this made a statement kasi sa Josh Lia ng time na yun, di ba? Wala na kayo naman, pero nag-together kayo just for the music video. Ang ganda nila ang gusto kong sabihin. Charot. Aljon! Ikaw medyo busy ka lately, ha? Hi na, kamusta? Paano ka naging part ng project?
So, medyo ilang months din po na nagpahinga ako from acting.
Talaga,
So,
pero lagi
yes
kitang
po.
nakikita.
Talaga po.
Everywhere. Hindi, I mean sa...
Baka sa IG nakita, sir.
Sa IG.
Wala
Oo
nga.
nga.
Baka ni-stalk niyo.
Mga shirtless men.
No.
Huwag mo simulan Joshua, ha? Huwag mo simulan Joshua. Hindi kasi
Joke lang.
Sa Dreamscape siya nagsimula, sa
Yes po, sa Sandugo, pre-pandemic.
True.
Pero, and first movie ko po ito. So, I'm very grateful na
First lang
maging-
ba? On na naman, gulat-gulatan na naman ako sa mga talaga. First ba?
Yes po, very grateful talaga. Hindi ako nag-expect na papasali ako sa movie. Tapos,
Pero si Direk yata may regrets. Tsare!
No regrets,
Just kidding.
opo. Pero nung sinabi po nila sa akin, sobrang excited lang po talaga ako. As in, no expectations at all. Sabi ko, gagawin ko lang talaga ito kasi excited ako mag-acting ulit.
Of course. And of course, gulat-gulatan. Ay, Bong!
Yes.
Mukhang special ang role mo.
We'll see.
Wow!
Hindi, nakuha ko po tong role na to. Ang role ko po pala si Lay. My name is Lay. And ako po,
Character mo yan.
yes, ako po ang nag-iisang kapatid. Julia Barreto.
Seryoso?
O diba, nagulat din. Kasi nung sinabi niya
Grabe ka naman! Ang ganda-ganda
Gulat-gulatan lang ako.
Ako din nagulat nung sinabihan ako ni Direct Page at ni Sir Vico about this role. Sinabihan nila ako na kailangan ng Kenny Sir sa movie na to. Tapos kapatid pa ni Julia, so nagpaganda talaga ako. Ayun talaga yung pressure ko.
Actually, achieve naman tonight.
Paano ako papantay sa ganda ni Ate Julia? Kasi,
Barreto yan.
Yes, Barreto. Kaya tawag nila sa akin, Bong Barreto.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Jajamani, di ba?
Oo. Kaya abangan na lang po natin ano magiging eksena ng Keki Sir.
I'm
sa
happy
movie.
for you. You get sa part ka ng magagandang projects, Bong.
Julia.
Kasi dati pa TikTok ka lang. Okay, thank you. Ayun. Kyla, do you ever rest? I mean, kasi left and right ang shows mo, tapos may movie, tapos may isa ka pa.
Pero ako, grateful lang din ako na kasama ako sa movie na to. When they told me about it, I was also very excited to be part of it. Kahit di ko pa alam kung anong yung role. Sabi ko, yes,
Oo, kaagad.
talaga. Game na ako. And of course, I've been wanting to work with Direk Peterson as well.
First time?
Yeah, first time. And of course, si Josh nakatrabaho ko na napakahusay. Sa Viral Scandal po. Teleserye, yes.
maganda
And si
yun.
Julia, it was so nice to work with her. Parang immediately nag-click kami. So, ang ganda lang ng experience. Especially lahat
Wala kasi
ng...
maganda at matalino.
Kami magkakasama lahat sa
Ay,
Viva,
wow.
lahat kami. Sobrang naging organic yung connection
Pabilo.
namin. Kaya parang ang sarap mag-work.
I'm sure happy rin naman yung dalawa katrabaho.
Yung set and of course yung bonding namin lahat. Ang role ko po dito, pangalan ko dito si Aya. Ako yung business partner at best friend ni Juancho, yung character ni Joshua.
Alright. Hindi ko na kasi sila naman nakitang-kita na yung role ni Joshua at ni Julia. this point, ito, ibibigay ko na talaga ang microphone sa unang magtatanong. Sino to, Justin?
Ayan, magandang gabi po mga kapatid.
Oh.
Ako si Justin Irons ng ABS-CBN PR. Ayan, ang unang pong magtatanong, by the way, we receive as 19 sets of questions. So kung di po aabot dahil sa time limit natin this evening, paumanin po. Pero hopefully makapture ng discussion yung soundbites na hinahanap nyo. For our first set of questions, kasama po natin si Tito Danny Vivas.
Of course,
Daily Tribute.
Tito Dan, request ang tayo na you don't have to come here. Tayo na lang kasi we are, naka-live streaming tayo.
Okay.
Nakadilaw si Tito Danny.
Yes.
Oh, dilaw.
It's almost surely, or it's it cannot be doubted that this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie surely deserves another. Are you prepared to make more movies, even if it might affect your personal relationships and your personal lives?
The question is for, ano Tito Danny?
Sorry, I forgot. For Josh and for Julia.
Baka for
I
me.
can answer.
Alam mo, total nagkaagawan tayo sa bagot. Hindi nakasagot ng role niya si Miss May.
Yes.
Kasi si Bong lang ang eksena eh.
Yes.
I heard, ang galing-galing mo daw, you're from PETA, and then, what's your role here?
The name of my role in this film is Ate Lala. Parang ako yung nag-iisang rose amongst the thorns sa Casa Rosa, which is the restaurant
An
owned
all-boy, group.
Juancho. Tapos, I'm very grateful to Peterson kasi karamihan ng mga pelikula niya, sinasali niya.
Wow, ang lakas mo sa
Favorite.
pinag-
Oo. Meron
So hindi mo to
akong-
first, first ka nang nauna.
Ah.
First nga, nauna, natural, di ba?
So, I was too cool to be forgotten. Nakakasama ko na si P. Thank you, P.
Thank you, Miss Man. Okay, we are now ready sa nag-aagawang sumagot. Sino who's gonna answer the question from Tito Danny Vivas?
Sorry, Tito Dan. Para kanina po ulit yung question? Sorry.
For sure, this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie cannot just be one hit movie. For sure, there will be next offers to do more movies, more team-up movies between the two of you. But are you prepared to do more movies, even if it might affect your personal relationships or personal lives?
Interesting question. Are you open to answering the question? Definitely, di ba, Julia?
Yeah, you know what, Tito? I feel like there's no might because I believe both Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10
Correct.
pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman nun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives, and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tignan mo, ang saya naming natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua, that's...
Yes po. Yun na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po ni Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin, alam mo yan. So, wala naman yung siguro ganun mangyayari, di ba? And, nagsushoot pa lang ho kami nito. Nag-uusap na kami na sana makagawa tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi,
Nakakatawa naman.
bigang-biga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
Kaya parang hindi naya siya sa pain. Yung balat tunog, doon naman talaga si Direk Peterson yung pain.
Sana na kami peg na...
Sana comedy dito.
Oo, comedy.
Oo.
Yun na lang yung dinidream namin habang nag-excite na kami ng mabibigat. One day, Josh, magka-comedy tayo. Yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, you're good?
It's nice for you to do a comedy next. After Unhappy for You, it should be very happy for you.
Thank you po,
Tito.
thank you po.
Very happy for you. Very happy for you.
Ayun,
Meron
Sir
pa,
G,
Justin?
yung next question natin, babasahin mo from G. Trillian.
Actually, ang ganda. I was gonna tell you nga, Justin, gusto kong tanong ito from G. Juliano ng editor ng Malaya. Malaya. Okay. Okay, there's a video. This is for Julia muna. There's a video of you asking audiences if they would watch your movie with their exes. Kailan ka dumating sa point na you became comfortable enough to meet your ex again, to meet your ex again, and ano yung nag-precipitate nung feeling na yon? Okay na ako to Joshua. Yeah.
So in other words, in a simpler form, ano yung tanong?
I know. Naguluhan nga rin ako, pero sabi ko ang ganda ng tanong, pero ako naguluhan.
Hindi ko nagtatanong.
Tita G, ano
Ano parang
ba?
kanina pa tinatanong sa'yo din yan.
Alin, yung...
Kaya ako pahawak ng script.
Yung
eh,
sa
biglang
mall
nagulat.
show daw kasi, first of
Ayun.
all guys, tinanong ng ibang cast, inulit ko lang yung tanong, baka hindi klaro. At saka nag-joke lang ako. Kumbaga, hindi ko namang ini-encourage na panoorin niyo with your ex. Kasi choice niyo naman yun, di ba?
Kasi uso ngayon ang mga
Nagjo-joke
exes
lang.
na nag-reunite.
Uso ba yun?
Officially
ba?
for you, yung sa Showtime, di ba?
Yes.
Especially for you.
I mean, choice naman niyo yun. I mean, kung parang, di ba, kung
It's
straight
for,
niyo yun.
it's for entertainment.
Oh, for entertainment lang
Parang
naman
masaya
yun.
lang, diba? Yeah.
Correct. Joke time lang yun. Pero hindi namin sinasabing kailangan panoorin nyo itong kasama mga ex. Okay, mag-isa kayo. Okay lang. Basta panoorin nyo. Bayad together something.
Josh, may dadagdag ka ba? Okay. Kasi next ikaw na. The question, what steps did you take to prepare for the role and was asking your current partner's permission included in the steps? Did you ask permission from...
No, hindi ko
You don't?
nag-ask sa partner ko. Kasi bago pa rin kami magkakilala, alam niyang actor na yung, pa yung actor na yung trabaho.
Oh, sana all, no?
I'm just very supportive about dun sa movie. Kung ano naging process ko sa movie, enjoy ko lang yung process. Enjoy ko lang siya, and enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho ulit si Julia. And enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho si Derek Peterson and lahat ng cast natin dito. Yun lang yung nangyari nun. And kung may mali man kasi kami magawa, kinokorek na kami ng writers na nila direct.
May writers on the set ka, kayo.
Yes,
Tumadala.
very
At
hands-on
least-
sila sa pelikula.
At least Hanson, di pabaya. Charot, may pabaya pa. Tawa ng tawa dito, Miss Kaya. Okay. Ano, ikaw to o ako to, Justin? The
Ayan,
next set.